You guys are not going to believe what's about to happen to Terra Luna's price. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button so you guys never miss a new video that we post every single day. And make sure to get a free stock with public.com with the first link down in the description below. But other than that, let's get right into this video. Alrighty everybody, so Terra Luna's price needs to show this accumulation pattern, and here's why. This has been something that's talked about quite frequently in not only Luna's price, but also LUNC. LUNC, of course, is just a little bit different as far as what we're talking about in this specific video. We're going to be more focusing on the original Terra Luna, or Luna 2.0 now as it's called. This is, of course, one that is still run by Terraform Labs and not the community-driven token LUNC. But this article highlights a bunch of different technical patterns and very interesting information that I think we want to know as far as where the price could be headed sooner rather than later. So without further ado, I'm going to read this article and get into all the details about it and see what you guys think about it, and of course give my thoughts and opinions. So first things first, some of the key takeaways. Terra Luna's price fails to hurdle over the $2 barrier. There also says that there is still not enough evidence to confirm bullish rally will occur. There's also early invalidation of the downtrend that could be a reach above the $2.35 zone. So let's read a little bit more on what they mean by that. Terra Luna's price is still in an unfortunate situation. Buying early may not be the best idea, but technicals should continue under surveillance for potential entries. Terra Luna's price needs to turn. Terra Luna's price continues to struggle as the bears have forced a reaction, or rejection, not reaction, at the $2 level. On June 23rd, the Luna price trades at $1.94 as consecutive DOJI, or dodgy, candles are shown post-sell-off. Now, unfortunately, the technicals do not show strong signals to believe in a true market bottom. As mentioned in a previous outlook, the bears have control and could aim for a 0.59 cent VPOC. We also see Terra Luna's price needing to start turning soon in order to validate any true upside potential. We know that CEO Do Kwon has promised to restore the controversial digital token to normalcy, but unfortunately his words do not translate into the technicals. For investors to be early, soon look at a subtle turn in the market. A smart money accumulation pattern is needed to justify an entry. And this is the, of course, exact chart that they're talking about here. Let's take a closer look. So basically what they are saying here is that we need a super consolidated, very precise amount of accumulation to occur in this zone, right in between, of course, the 24th of July all the way up out here to the, basically the end of the month, or not the June rather, into the 1st of July. And we'll have to see what smart money does. When they're talking about smart money, guys, they are talking more specifically about the whales, right? The whales are super critical in Terra Luna. And one of the things that we've seen a lot recently is actually a lot of volume, a lot of whale activity has been going on with Luna, especially the buying of cryptocurrency tokens and a host of other things. Why they're doing this still remains to be seen, but it seems to be that there are certain whales that could be loading up on Terra Luna, expecting a potential move sooner rather than later. Now, if this continues, this is what this article is basically referring to, that the accumulation pattern that's beginning to show itself now could be setting us up for a future rally in the future. Keep in mind, keyword could be. One of the things we need to understand too is the overall cryptocurrency market is going in kind of all over the place, right? We're not seeing a clear direction being shown by large market cap coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. As you can see, over the last 7 days, it's been pretty spiky, but we are starting to get on a little bit of an uptrend. Now, please keep this in mind. This may be somewhat of a dead cat bounce. One of the things that we've seen over the last couple of days is the just terrible performance in both the stock and crypto markets. One of the big reasons being the overall world economy is kind of stuttering and shuddering, especially the United States economy more specifically, with the recent interest rate raising, which is not good for the stock market. And we know that, of course, the crypto market and the stock market are oftentimes linked as far as their overall performance goes. So if the stock market's not doing well, crypto typically is not doing super well either. But again, that is why you have to be very careful when you're trading these types of cryptocurrencies on a smaller time scale. If you're just buying and holding for the long term, again, that's up to you as far as what you want to do with that specific position and with those tokens. It's always important to manage your risk and to, of course, be aware of the risk that you're taking when you're buying into cryptocurrencies like this, especially Luna, especially LUNC, Shiba Inu, and all of these other cryptocurrencies that have very large market caps, small entry to price price ratio. And of course, these ones are pretty easy to get into, right? They don't cost that much. That's something that a lot of people look at them as attractive, as a almost incentive to invest. But be warned that, again, these cryptos can be risky. We don't know what the full comeback plan of Luna is. Do Kwon and everybody and all the executives at Terraform Labs continue to promise us this huge comeback that we've really yet to see so far. So please keep that in mind, be aware of that, and keep a close eye on what's going on behind the scenes at Terra Luna and the overall organization that runs it. If you guys haven't already, hit the like button and the subscribe button so you guys never miss a new video that we post every single day. And make sure to join our free Discord with a second link down in the description below. And if you want to pick up a free stock with public.com, hit the first one as well. Other than that though, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.